In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to warp text on Canva in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started by heading over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the upper right corner of the screen. You can sign in using your Google account, Facebook, or your email, whichever option you prefer. Once logged in, it's time to select the project you want to work with. Whether you're starting fresh or continuing with an existing project, make your choice and let's move on. Next, look for the Apps tab within Canva. This is where you will find various applications that can enhance your design experience. Once in the Apps tab, use the search function to find Typecraft. After locating and selecting Typecraft, you can begin crafting your text. Enter the words you want to work with, choose a font that complements your project style, and then select a design style that fits your vision. This tool offers a variety of styles, so take a moment to explore your options. Now, on to the fun part. Adjusting your text. This is where your creativity can really shine. You can play around with the colors to match your design theme and use the handles to warp your text into the shapely masterpiece you're envisioning. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, simply click Add Element to Design to incorporate your warped text into your project. Alternatively, if you're interested in creating curved text, Canva has you covered. Start by writing your desired text within Canva. Once your text is selected, head over to the Effects tab. This is where you can find various effects to transform your text. Under the Shape category, you'll see an option for Curve. Select it and instantly your text will take on a curved appearance. Adjust the curve level until it looks perfect. You might need to experiment a bit with the curve level to get it just right. If you have more complex designs or want to create multi-layered effects, consider duplicating the curved text. This allows you to adjust each curve individually, thus giving you more flexibility and precision in your design. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your text using Canva, creating visually dynamic designs that are sure to stand out. Whether you're using Typecraft to warp text or the curve effect for smooth bends, these techniques are simple yet powerful tools in your creative arsenal. Happy designing and feel free to explore even more features Canva has to offer. Hopefully this guide has given you the confidence needed to personalize your projects with text that speaks volumes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.